Welcome back. If you didn't watch my first video, my name is Sierra. I'm the Service Delivery Manager at North Grenville Public Library. Today we're going to learn how to make breakfast ramen. So what you're going to need is any two Mr. Noodle packs that you want, doesn't matter what flavor. You're going to need 3/4 of a cup of cheese, shredded. For this we're using cheddar. And you'll need 2 eggs. You'll need some bacon. And you'll need some green onions. Alright, so first off, you're going to want to boil your water. It says in the recipe to discard these, but I'm actually going to save them. Adds a nice little kick in later. So while you're boiling your water, you're going to cut up your bacon. Once your water is boiling, you're going to put in your noodles and cook according to the directions on the package. Once the noodles are done, you're going to keep 1/4 cup of the water, and then you'll drain and set that aside. So then you're going to cook your bacon. You're going to remove the bacon, but you're going to leave the fat. Setting all that aside, now you can come and make your cheese mixture. So you're going to take, again, your 3/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, put that in a bowl. You're going to crack your 2 eggs. You're going to mix that up. Now, if you want to, this is optional. This is the step where you're going to take those seasoning packets and just dump them in your bowl. May not be the healthiest recipe, but definitely something very easy to make. And if you're a starving student in college or university, Mr. Noodles you can get at the dollar store. It's very cheap, easy to make. So once you have this incorporated, we are going to add it to your noodles. So you're going to put the noodles into the same pan that you cooked your bacon in, leaving the fat. So you're going to coat the noodles in the fat. Then you're going to re-add your bacon, turn the heat on low, and then incorporate your cheese mixture over top of the noodles. Basically just warm it up, and then when you're done, you're going to separate into bowls, and then you're gonna garnish with your green onions.